Is this what you brought me for? You told me you're going to Casey's, motherfucker.
You feel the power of that beast?
Fuck no, I feel the beast crying for help.
Wait, is there a curb over here?
Shut up.
Is that hopefully not?
What do you want? You just... This motherfucker's not even on the road. Skippy yang motherfucker.
Yippee-ki-yay.
Skippy yang. What the hell is he doing? Off-road. Hit him. Hit him. Hit him. Hit him.
Should I drive in his line?
Dude, why is
Imagine he just sees me fly by him.
But like on his right side. What would you do in that instant?
I don't think there's much you can do.
Fucking chase them in your tractor? Because it's 30 degrees.
Yeehaw! This is a good old boy state!
I'm scared.
Oh shit!
Shit. Something tells me you were not in the right lane. I thought I was gonna tip. I thought it was over. Please don't tip.
Look, we got good smoke.
Please don't tip.
Here, get out and record the smoke.
I don't want to die.
Get out, pussy.
I'm being forced into this recording job.
You're getting paid, aren't you?
What the motherfucker?
Hurry, because the brakes are going out.
I only have a certain time limit. Holy shit! Holy shit! I think this is one of his best ones right there. I think that was one of your best ones.
Fuck me, that stinks!
Go, go, go.
Fuck me!
I think that was one of your best ones. I think that was easily one of your best ones.
God, I love the smell of rubber!
Hell no, this fucking sounds awful.
Okay, so now for the tutorial.
After that. Tutorial.
I like your dog. They didn't say anything.
They probably didn't hear
Fuck you, thought. Oh my god. Watch out!
Dun dun.
Wait, do you hear the brakes?
Dun dun. Oh, fuck yeah.
Guy.
Fucking hit him. Fucking hit
Oh my
him.
god, you can still smell the rubber.
No shit, it's fucking attached to the fucking car now.
That smoke, I'm proud of myself. Aren't you proud of me?
Yeah.
For this shithole?
Yeah.
I don't know if we should do it in the church. That's God's land.
Yeah.
I gotta cut that part out.
Yeah, you do.
Look at all these people just having a nice peaceful day over here. And then cut to a clip in the church.
And it's like the fucking like heavy ass metal music just playing in the background. You should do donuts perfectly around those things, that way they have lines and they can't cross. Probably fucking crash into the fucking, whatever the hell that's called.
Alright, so basically you just start, you get up to 5, and then you fucking floor it. And then you just keep, you just keep going.
You can
in
see the
circles
smoke in the
as much as you
mirror.
want. But yeah, it's pretty easy now that I know.
I told my dad only be a little bit. I've been kidnapped.
Should we do one more where in the pool?
Fucking hit that kid down there, dude. What if there's like 3 cops on the scene right there?
Just smile and wave.
I mean, what are they gonna do? Say this thing did that?
Say this hunk of shit.
Honestly,
Dude,
though.
this is honestly like really surprising though that it can do it that good. Because all the other times I've like just like screwed the tires, you know.
Mm-hmm.
And this day I said, you know what? I'm gonna impress my friend Razzo. I don't give a shit if I need. I really do give a shit if I need brakes. But I don't give a shit if anything breaks. I'm gonna impress him. Did your cock get hard?
Fuck no. It's flaccid as hell.
I didn't do good enough. Ooh, are we leaking something?
Fuck no. Hopefully.
What is that thing?
I don't think that's us, because we didn't do that. We did that right there, though.
Oh yeah, no, that's not us. Okay, thank God.
Let's go, motherfucker. Round 2, round 2. I'm ready to get hit. I'm ready to sacrifice my life for this. Oh, hell no. Holy shit. Go. Fucking gas mask right now, dude. Holy shit, that was a lot. Oh my god, this one was awful.
Yeah, I think that's enough for the Tahoe.
And that's enough for me.
Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed. Shout out to Razzo. Okay, Zeus.
Split X 36.
Yeah, man, Split X36 for recording.
Follow me on Xbox.
I'm actually gonna put like your Xbox profile.
Alright,
in.
yeah, okay.
Alright. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed. Basically, donuts are really easy. Just get up to like 5 and then just blast the gas and turn it into a circle.
I think you might have to do like a better explanation later on, but still.
Nah, dude, it's simple. You turn the wheel and then you blast the gas.
Cool beans.
But the one thing you need is okay, so you can't really do it in front wheel drive unless it's the winter and there's a lot of ice. If it's rear wheel drive or all wheel drive, then you can do just like on the pavement like we did. Oh, and by the way, that was a stunt driver. I was not driving, right, Razo? Remember we switched out before we recorded?
Yeah, we hired him for $60 an hour.
And that was his own private land. Like he built that land, like that payment in the
He did not build the
land.
land. He bought the land, idiot.
Yeah, same thing. All right. I hope you guys enjoyed, and peace.
Oh my god!